Hello everyone, I am Subradip Kaur, second year students of IIM Kolkata. Institute of Advanced Management is celebrating Zoom Badaba Zoom event and I participate in the extempore competition. So today my topic is current business challenges in our dynamic global environment. Challenges in the business environment. Yes, new technologies become obsolete in days. New business trends emerge every day. New issues and rules regarding labor laws, new managerial and HR policies also. The uncertainty regarding the future, the management of resources and power etc. keep taking place. First, I talk about business leaders who are facing some business challenges today. So now I want to mention four biggest challenges like the need for wider ranking knowledge. Not too long ago, many company executives operated in silos. They were the experts in their division, but they did not often get involved in the work of other departments. Today, however, leaders must take a broader organizational view. For example, many CFOs have seen their responsibilities extend beyond finance into human resources, information technology and operations also. Second one, like the demand for skill talent, because in demand professionals have more opportunities today. It's harder to recruit and retain top performers, and in addition managers frequently must observe staff in several locations, which makes it even more challenging. It motivates employees also. And third point, it's information overloaded. Like managers now have access to extensive databases filled with information that can greatly enhance their decision making, but the amount of the data they are presented with on a daily basis, which can be overwhelming. The strongest leaders know how to extract the most valuable information and transform it into strategic guidance, and how it bring in highly skilled business analysts who can help them do so. Last one is change. Yes, more change. Business has ever faced the type of moral challenges that is faces in today's global economy. Everyone is struggling to be more successful, to make the next quarterly earnings, estimate to keep their job, to earn a big bonus, or to compete effectively. Many business employees are executive scrums. Sadly to say, the theme becomes highly infectious, and soon people actually start to feel like lying a little, or stealing a little, or deceiving others is just a part of business. Without trust, the business will not be able to complete effectively, and it will eventually fail. Apart from these, there is also some challenges which every business faces, that is integrity, then cash or resource management, market and customer loyalty, problem solving and risk management, then finding the right stuffs also. So that's all of my topic. Thank you for listening me.